Today I'm going to show you how to set up JUCE on Linux. So you will have a producer here, which is like a file management tab for JUCE, and it also does a lot of other stuff. And you're actually going to have all of your JUCE files from the actual framework itself. So let's just get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is to actually download JUCE. You can just do that on the JUCE website. Just click on Get JUCE and click on download here, and then you can select Linux and you just download it from this website. There is also a way to download it from GitHub, but I don't think that it comes with the Pro Juicer. Maybe it does, but I'm not really sure. And it's always just simpler to download it from the actual website. But you can also obviously download from GitHub, because here you're going to have more of the recent changes to the framework, which are going to come a bit later to the version from the website. But it's completely up to you which one you want to use. I just use the one from the website because it's definitely stable and it's just easier to download. So you download the JUCE, then you can start the producer and create a project. And then what is going to be created is a Makefile. So when you just save your project, a Makefile is going to be created, and you can find it here if you go to any kind of a project. Let's just open this one. Then you click on Builds, then you click on Linux Makefile, and here you're going to have this Makefile file, and then you have the stuff that is actually exported out, but the Makefile is what actually is like the file that gives instructions on what files need to be compiled and stuff like that. So you're going to need to download Makefile, and you can simply just Google that. So let's just search for how to install Makefile, and here you see there are many tutorials, and here you can just see a lot of tutorials on how to do it. So yeah, so you can basically just install Make, and it's going to be your way to do it. But you're also going to need to update probably before that. Like, you don't need to do it, but it's always better to do it. And yeah, it's basically everything you need to do. So you can also check out the other websites if something doesn't work. And I think that's how I did it actually. So now you have Makefile downloaded. That's really good, but now you actually want to use it. So how do you do that? So let's just go here, and these are the dependencies JUCE needs. Because if you're just going to try to compile your plugin or whatever you're doing with JUCE, it's going to give you a ton of errors because these dependencies are not installed. So first, just install one of these. I think I have clang because it's the first one, but you can do whichever one you want. Just copy this command, paste it into your terminal, and then copy this command and paste it as well. And that's just going to install your compiler. Then here you can see all the packages you need. So just copy this command and run it in your terminal, and then just run this command. It's all just one long command and installs all of the dependencies. And this is on the GitHub of JUCE, by the way. So you can just go to JUCE and then just go to docs, and then you go to Linux dependencies, and then this is the file. So you have installed all of the dependencies, and you're probably getting an error about this libwebkit2 GTK 40dev not being installed. So to fix that, you can just go onto the JUCE forum and look through different threads about that. And here there is actually not a real solution to it, but if you click onto this link here, it gets you to a different thread which actually has a solution, and it is going to JUCE GUI Extra. So just click here, JUCE GUI Extra. So you need to open the modules folder. Like you're probably going to be in the file explorer. Just open modules, then JUCE GUI Extra. Then you scroll down, and you just need to disable this combo box. One more library not installed, I think. So if that happens to you, just try like sudo apt and then the name of the library, and that one library I actually got it installed, so it's probably not that hard to do it, and it's not like you need to turn off some settings. And what this does, it actually turns off your web browser options in JUCE, so you probably won't be able to create web applications. So if you want to do that, you will probably need to search for that, because the 4.11 is actually downloadable from apt, but the 4.01 isn't, and that's the one you need. That's how you set it up. And then I just go to the terminal, and then let's see how we can actually build a plugin. So you type make, and then you go to your project file. So let's just go here, and then it was the instance sound one. Let's just go to builds, Linux Makefile, and then we have the Makefile. So just copy the location of it, and just simply press the super key, shift and V, and it should paste it in. So now just press enter. Okay, so something doesn't work. Oh, I know what it is. So just here to go here to instance sound, and then just add this this reverse slash then here as well, because spaces are just recognized as a different command in the terminal. So just do that. Okay, permission denied. So probably we just need to do sudo make. That's just what I think, I'm not sure about that. And then let's just add the reverse slashes again. Now you need to type your password in. Okay, so the Makefile is already done, because I have already compiled it. But if you have a different project and you want to compile it, that's how you do it. So that's actually everything I wanted to talk about in this video, because with all of this knowledge you're going to be able to set up JUCE on your Linux computer, and you're going to be able to actually compile a plugin or whatever application you just made with JUCE. For tutorials on how to use the Producer and JUCE, you can check out my channel, or there are also a lot of other videos and tutorials on YouTube and just everywhere about that. If you want to see more videos like this one, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like.